Hi there, everybody. Welcome back to another video for copy and paste ads, as simple as it gets. My name is Marybeth Angelelli, and I want to bring you inside of my back office once again just to show you around a little bit, talk to you more about this amazing little simple copy and paste ads system that has been going strong now for several years. And I've actually been part of copy and paste ads for the last several years. This opportunity actually has been around since 2018. Fast forward to the end of 2024, almost going into 2025. It is still very much active, very much alive, and still going strong. I absolutely love it. It's a really simple program if you're searching for a simple way that you can start to increase cash flow and start earning some nice extra income for yourself and for your family online. Doesn't require any learning curve, no special skills, education, experience. It doesn't even require a lot of time. But I do recommend that you do stay consistent with your daily marketing for copy and paste ads for the best results, okay? So that you can continue to grow and build a nice little business for yourself. And the wonderful thing is you get paid however you desire. You set this up through your payment methods and the money goes directly to you. So the commissions are automatic and instant. $100 over and over and over again potential, and you get to keep 100% of the commissions, okay? Very affordable, very duplicatable. Anybody can do this. And I really do mean anybody, because everything that you need to be up and running in no time, to start seeing results, to start having success, to start turning a profit is right here inside your back office. And we're going to do another deep dive because I want to show you around and show you everything you're getting for one low cost, affordable price point of only $129 just one time. There are no monthly fees at all with copy and paste ads. You pay a one-time admin fee of $29 that goes to the company, to the admin. Then you will pay your $100 membership payment. And just to let you know, for your convenience, I accept all major credit cards and debit cards. This is a global, worldwide opportunity. I also accept Venmo and Cash App, okay? So once you log in, okay, you will come right here. You can click here and this will take you directly into the features. You can also go to start here and it will pull down the features down the left hand side of your dashboard or screen. I'll show you what that looks like. So you're going to come here. You'll see your information right here. Your URL is going to be here. You want to just explore, have fun, point and click. Get familiar with all of the back office features, tools, resources, training, ad copy, the whole works, okay? So this is where you can get your free traffic membership right here. Okay, you'll click there. There's an optional rotator if you wish to explore that. This is exactly where you'll do that. And if you want to join the rotator option, you'll click join the rotator. Okay, but definitely explore your free traffic membership and definitely explore the rotator if this is something that is of interest to you. You definitely want to join the official Copy and Paste Ads Facebook group. It is alive and active for all paid members, and that's where you're going to do so right here, so you can stay up to date and up to speed with everything that is going on with copy and paste ads, okay? Here's a special announcement section. The iSpin Auto Builder bonus advertising credits are increased now to 10,000 this month. New copy and paste ads members receive 10,000 bonus ad credits. So you're going to want to watch this short little video right here to see how you can access your bonus ad credits. So definitely take advantage of this. Take advantage of everything that you see back here to help you to successfully build your copy and paste ads business, okay? And then we'll come down here. You can watch this little compensation plan. Copy and paste ads, reverse one up, 100% compensation plan. So it has some very, very nice built-in leverage into it. You're going to absolutely love it. All right? And here are the various additional features that you can go ahead and explore. Okay, earn more income streams, done for you email campaigns, banner ads. This is where you can view your statistics, member training and resources, okay? And this is how you contact support right here, folks. If you have any questions, you could just go right here to this link. It'll pull you right into support, okay? And you just type away, and they will respond to you quickly, okay? And then here are some additional top sites that you can register with to post up on. Okay, these are very, very good. There's 7 of them here, and I refer to these as your lucky 7. All right, so you're going to want to take advantage of all of these. Okay, so let's go right to the top right now, and we're going to dive into the back office. So you get here, explore what I just did, what I just showed you. Start at the top, work your way down to the bottom, and then next go start here. Just point and click. And this is where you're going to go to your new member training, okay? And everything is here. You just want to follow step by step by step. Take your time. Just take your time, folks, because everything you need is going to be right over here. This is where you're going to set up your payment processors, okay? So you'll click here and you'll set up how you want to be paid. Now, these are the various options right here. There's a short little 3-minute video. I encourage you and urge you to watch it, okay? See, folks? Marybeth Angelelli, $100 7 hours ago. I just had another new team member join me, okay, 7 short hours ago. So this is absolutely working, okay? So this is what I use. I use Authorize.net so I can accept payments worldwide, debit or credit for the $100. There's Bitcoin, there's Square, there is Stripe. Okay, so you have these 4. These happen to be automated. So if somebody pays you through one of these 4 methods, you don't have to log into your back office to approve them. But no worries, folks, because hey, money is money. You can get paid through Cash App. You can get paid through Venmo, through Zelle, and any other preferred method here. You just go into manual and you simply type your instructions. Now, if you're going to accept payments, Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, or manual, okay, all you need to do is just log into your back office and you will just go ahead and click on the commissions area and a little approve button will pull up. All you do is click on it and your new member is instantly approved. So either way, folks, it is absolutely wonderful. This has been a fun little business, but I just want to show you what all your different options are, okay? So this is where you set up your payment processors. This is where you go in and set up your profile right here in step number 2. Step number 3 is going to give you some awesome sample ads. Use them, okay? Use them to your liking. These work amazingly well. Click here for step 3, okay? So you go through here and you are going to see your different ads, okay? Sample ads 1, sample ads 2, okay? So let's just look at what these look like. Look at this. You can use these just about anywhere that you desire. These can be in any free high traffic classified site. You can use these on Craigslist. You can use these in emails. You can pretty much do with them whatever you would like to do with these, folks. They work very, very well. Okay, so definitely scroll down. There's plenty of them, an ample amount, so there's no shortage. You're not going to, don't worry, you won't run out. You can even change these up a little bit as you go through this. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. Different places to advertise. Okay, we've got traffic and lead sources. We have Craigslist. Okay, so there's a lot of different options, folks. Your sample ads, your places to advertise, Craigslist training. This is where you can access Craigslist posting tips and cities, YouTube marketing. If you like YouTube, I love YouTube, folks. I have been using YouTube for years now, many, many, many years. I've been on YouTube. That's actually how I got my start way back in the day, folks. So let us fast forward to 2024, and I am still very much an active user of YouTube. Okay, see, there I am 3 months ago. Okay, I have been consistently earning with this program now for several years, folks, and I absolutely, absolutely love it. Okay, so just wanted to show you, take advantage of everything. I don't want to go into these because, this is somewhat of private information for paid members, but just know that there is everything here and this is where you can locate it. So we're going to come right back here. Okay. And we'll go here, step 4, top places to post ads. Here's an additional 20 places, folks. You can register. Many of these are free. You just create a free account and you go in and you use the ad copy. Okay, below are clickable links to visit the sites. So here's all the clickable links, folks. 20 additional resources. Go there, grab a free account, and have fun posting. Here's a special little training video. Very, very simple. Watch this. It's like 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Be well worth your time. Okay, folks? Don't take any shortcuts. Everything is here that you're going to need to be successful. Okay? Done for you traffic. Step 5. Okay? So we have our done for you traffic. This is where you can join the optional rotator if you would like to. So read up on this, how it works, check it all out, okay? Check it all out, and click here to join the ad rotator if you would like to take advantage of this, all right? So there you go, okay? How to post ads, step number 6. This is Craigslist. Craigslist is a gold mine, folks. Craigslist is a digital online gold mine, okay? So there's training. Here's an incredible video by a top marketer. Definitely watch it. Okay. Click here to view the 500 plus Craigslist cities. You can bookmark the page. Here's the best cities, the 50 state capitals. Okay. Tells you exactly what to do, gives you tips, gives you strategies, gives you everything. Here's your capitals. These are excellent places to be posting up in, and these are excellent cities to post up in. Here is your short, simple training video to show you how to effectively and utilize successfully Craigslist.org. Okay? All right, and step number 7, members area training. You'll come in here, okay, and you're going to watch this video. This is your training video, your training getting started orientation video. Okay, it's going to walk you through 17 minutes. You want to watch every single minute of this, folks. 17 minutes and 13 seconds to be exact. So make sure you watch this video, okay? And then we come, yeah, this is the video, okay? For step number 7, and then step number 8, access your bonus ad credits. This is where you're going to go to access your bonus ad credits. So definitely make really good utilization out of this. Again, watch the video right here, the short video, okay? And it's going to show you how you can get access to your bonus ad credits. And then you can come here and navigate right across here. This is going to be your new member training, so definitely plug into your new member training right here. Setting up your payments, ways to receive, create your profile. If you need to change any settings, you'll do it right here. Pages. This is where you're going to go to select your done for you lead capture page. It's provided for you. There's even a built-in autoresponder with follow-up emails ready to go out for you. And if you have your own autoresponder, you can certainly integrate your own autoresponder, okay? Capture pages. There's a wide variety. Point and click. Whichever one you want, make it your primary. Then you'll come on down here, folks, and this is your sales page. This is what you're going to point and click and make this your redirect. So 2 simple point and clicks of your mouse, folks. Whichever site you want, make it your primary, and then come down here and make this your redirect. And your link will populate and your capture page will be ready to take live into the online space, or even offline space if you desire to take this offline. Okay, so just wanted to show you that is how you do it, and you have an automatic built-in autoresponder that will send out follow-up emails for you on your behalf for an extended period of time. Okay, and if you have your own autoresponder, you just connect that right up. Okay, very, very simple, folks. Okay, very simple. So there's your pages. You can track and monitor your team right here. Additional tools for your ad tracking, autoresponder emails, iSpin Auto Builder login, and sample ads. Okay, lots and lots of sample ads. So you'll want to scroll down here and use these to your liking. Have fun with them. Okay, and here's your resources. Here's the Facebook group. You definitely want to request to join this. Resources and training. So this is what you definitely want to spend some time on, folks, right here. Your Getting Started guide. You're going to have full access to a very complete, very comprehensive Getting Started guide, okay? Follow-up emails and autoresponders. You can check these out right here, okay? How to post a job ad, okay? Places, top places to post. Facebook groups, if you want to make good utilization out of the Facebook groups, they're incredible too, and they're also another great free access point where you can get great free traffic, lots of eyeballs on your copy and paste and post ads, and then your mindset video. So definitely go through this right here. This is going to really benefit you greatly. Look at this. See, I had another one a month ago. I've been consistently learning with this, folks. Okay, and you can too. And these add up very, very nicely. Okay, they add up very, very nicely. So here's your sample ads, your Craigslist posting tips in cities, places to advertise, and your banner ads. So here's additional resources, okay? And then you got your bonuses right here that you can tap into and different ways to receive, okay? Your payment processors like I just shared with you. So definitely make use of the bonuses. Here's traffic. Now this is paid traffic. It's really, really good, okay? $20. Once you get some $100 payments made, deposited into your bank account, folks, I recommend to help you to scale up and build your business even faster, okay? Get some of these $20 ads at Hercules. Create yourself an account and buy a $20 ad. Okay, you like your results? Go ahead and renew it and buy another $20 ad and keep going and keep growing and keep scaling up your copy and paste ads business. Udemy solo ads. It's going to cost you right around $40, give or take a little bit, to start for a 100-click solo ad. So this is another place that you can go to grow and build. Excuse me, one second. Grow and build and scale your business, okay? And this is something that's coming soon, so stay tuned for the texting blast software. But I just want to show you around, folks. There's a lot of resources. There's a lot of information. There's a lot of training to help you to build and grow a simple, profitable, duplicatable, affordable business that you're going to absolutely love. Something to get you some nice holiday cash right now, some nice extra fun money, okay, for the upcoming holidays. Everybody can afford this, folks. Trust me, $129 one time for all of this. Something that you can be up and running same day, get yourself into profit mode pretty quickly, and no special skills, no learning curve whatsoever. Just be consistent, folks, for the best results. Just be consistent. So $100 a pop over and over again, directly deposited into the account of your choice. And you decide and determine how it is that you wish to be paid. And just have fun with this, folks. A great business now to help you to end 2024 in a great way, to help you get some nice extra holiday cash, some nice fun money, something to maybe help you pay off some bills, whatnot, and then move right into 2025 with your copy and paste ads system business, as simple as it gets. And it really is super simple, folks. You just plug in, you follow the training, you follow the instructions, and everything is here provided for you. Okay, everything that you need, all your resources, all your sample ads, everything you need. Copy, paste, post, and profit. Very simple. If you have any questions, text or call me, folks. I'd be more than happy to assist you. Okay, and all you're going to do is go right here. This is my site, easydaily100.com. easydaily100, okay, .com. The link will be below in the description of this video. You are about to discover a simple way to start getting $100 payments over and over again. Just give me a good best email address and then click here, please show me more. And you'll be taken right in. You'll see a little bridge page, and then you'll see my sales page, my presentation. Watch that little video and everything will be there. You're ready to get started. You're just going to want to click on that red Join Now button, and you'll just proceed. You'll create your account. You'll pay your $29 admin, and then you'll be redirected right to pay me either Venmo, Cash App, or debit or credit card. Okay? Super simple, folks. I want to welcome you to Copy and Paste Ads, as simple as it gets. In advance, my name is Marybeth Angelelli. Text me or call me should you need anything, any questions, anytime. I'm here to help you. Okay, I love this business. I've been doing it now for several years. I've had great results, lots of success, folks, and I'm just so excited to continue to keep coming here and sharing it with you, because if you're looking for something simple, if you're looking for something affordable, something duplicatable that anybody can do, and this is a worldwide global opportunity that can have you up and running in the same day, folks. Get yourself into profit mode, get your business launched today, and have fun collecting those $100 Benjamins over and over and over again. And trust me, they do add up very nicely and very quickly, but you have to put forth the time and the effort. This is certainly not a get-rich-quick scheme whatsoever, folks, but it is a simple business. Commit to the process. Be consistent, show up daily for the best results, and you can win too with copy and paste ads. And yes, it really is as simple as it gets. Thank you so much. Welcome in advance to Copy and Paste Ads. I hope to see you inside of our Facebook community real soon. Bye for now. Thank you so much.